In 18th February 2021, Perseverance rover landed on Mars Jezero crater in order to search life possibility and collect soil and rocks. This video includes an amazing finding regarding life on Mars discovered by astronomers using spacecrafts. A research team of Brown University studied asteroid fragments that separated from Mars and crashed into Earth. Scientists searched chemical ingredients of Mars meteorites. They reported that those meteorites can produce the chemical energy that can keep microbiomes alive by connecting with water continuously. This chemical energy is same for the chemical energy that could support Earth's microbiomes. This is really a sign of current life on Mars. When applying a model using this data, scientists can predict that everywhere on Mars has such these rocks and life may be well organized. Underneath the Earth's surface, microbes are largely spread amid the lack of sunlight and the production of chemical energy by rocks in the contact with water. This type of chemical is produced as a byproduct of the reaction of rocks with water. There are radioactive elements in the rocks, namely thorium, uranium, potassium and sulfide minerals. Those elements react with water, which remain water in holes and spaces of the rocks. Water has two types of molecules, oxygen and hydrogen. In this reaction, those hydrogen and oxygen molecules are separated. Oxygen creates sulfate mineral with other minerals such as pyrite, and hydrogen dissolves in water to form dissolved hydrogen. This processed chemical energy helps to survive microbes under the Earth's surface. The important matter in this case, those microbes do not want sunlight for billion years, as well as they live more than 1 kilometer underground from Earth's surface. Scientists needed to know that Mars can produce such these chemical energies by using Martian rocks. Scientists gathered Martian asteroids data from Curiosity rover and other spacecrafts. When these all samples used for looking chemical composition, scientists could see all radioactive elements and water molecules are there in those rocks. This finding shows us the potential for microbial formation on Mars. We know already Mars has underground water. According to scientists, when there is underground water, there is a higher possibility of life also. Now scientists needed to research whether there is a current life on Mars. They have researched about atmosphere and surface, as well as spacecraft have landed on several Martian places. Now surface of Mars should be investigated in order to explore present-day life on Mars. We wish Perseverance rover, Curiosity rover and other old spacecraft will be able to do this.